Assalamualaikum friend, I hope you're quite well, and today I have professional frames. Here is 30 frames. All files are in PSD, so you can see here. Here is just simple. Create clipping mask or drag and drop your photo or adjust. For example, I drag this file to Photoshop, and you see here in layer area, here is background, and here is frame, here is color. So you can adjust your own color, your choice. So I untick color folder and extract frame. Here is two options. One is here, just import your photo, and here is you can adjust your own or manual. First I click here, import photo, and sorry girls, and for example like this. These files are in high definition, and you can see. So I convert in 1000, then drag there. Oh, we need high definition photo, and then drag there. Oh, okay. Wow. Enter. Control S for saving, and you see there, or you can more adjust. Enter, Control S, Control S. Here is one option, and the second option is very simple. So I delete it and open any other photo like this. Convert to 1000 resolution, and then drag there. Now right click, create clipping mask. These are very simple and very easy. You can adjust. Enter, and here is color. So you can adjust or dress color or background it is if you want. I think this color is better. So very simple, and here is one, drag on. Wow, here is detail, color effects, and here is frame. Same, you can import your photo and right click, create clipping mask, or you can import your photo here and just click Control S. I drag this file and drag there. No, right click, create clipping mask. Press shift, enter, Control Shift L for auto labeling. So you can adjust your choice. Here is color effects, here is details, and last is frame. Oh, here is drag to Photoshop. We need 3 images, for one here, and one here, and every photo have, or every shape have 2 options. One, drag and drop, and right click on clipping mask, sorry. So drag this file to here. I delete it, and again drag here. You see our image in shape. Very simple. And here is background. apply renderings overlay. Depend your choice. Amazing. So you can add one by one and change backgrounds. Last photo is this one. So we need four photos. Open girls hair, convert to 1000 resolution, drag there, enter. No, and then click on this shape and open new photo. Convert to Ctrl Shift L for auto leveling and 1000, enter. Here is okay. No, enter. Ctrl Shift L, 1000, drag there, press shift and adjust. And last is this. Ctrl Shift L and press convert to 1000, drag there. No, our photo frame is complete, so we apply renderings overlay. I have already uploaded, so you can download it and use it. So you can adjust one by one, and last photo is this artist. Drag to Photoshop, layers, renderings overlay. Wow, I think this color is better. So we need, wow, so you can adjust one by one. Here is 7 photo, 1 2 3, and I know you can do better. Just click on shape and open new photo like this. Right now 1000. I have high definition photo and then convert to in low resolution for 1000. So here is you can adjust one by one, and I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.